What's up guys, this is Usman here. In this video, I'm going to review the latest Oppo A52 after using it for the past few days. I will talk about its body build, performance, camera and battery. So first of all, let's see what we got in its box. In the box you will get a device, a silicone cover, a basic set of earbuds, USB A to C cable and the 18-watt power adapter. Now first let's talk about its body build. There is a plastic on the back and IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen on the front without Gorilla Glass. However, it's not too much durable, but the back of this phone attracted me. It comes in two colors, Twilight Black and Stream White. I purchased it in Stream White color. It looks very simple in Stream White color, but still it's beautiful and attractive. Usually I love black color from a smartphone, but this time the color of Oppo A52 won my heart. Now if we talk about its sides, on the right side, there is a power button which also operates as fingerprint sensor. If we talk about its side mounted fingerprint sensor, its performance is average, not too much good nor bad. Sometimes it picks quickly and sometimes not, but in the second attempt it usually works. And on the left side there are volume rockers and the SIM tray. There is nothing on the top, and on the bottom there are speaker, charging port, headphone jack plus microphone. There are two speakers on this smartphone. The secondary speaker on the front is really a big speaker, and both speakers produce loud sound. Really a loud sound that sometimes I need to lower its volume to use it comfortably. And it's good thing from Oppo. There is a logo of the Oppo on the back and the quad camera. I will talk about the camera later in this video. The clean back of the Oppo A52 is really beautiful. And sometimes the back of it reminds me of Samsung Galaxy S20. What do you say? Please let me know in the comment below. And on the front there is 6.5-inch display with pixel density of 405 pixels per inch. And its display is really clear and beautiful. However, it's not AMOLED, but still it provides good quality. I enjoyed YouTube and games on it. There is 16 megapixel punch hole camera on the left side. I saw one benefit of putting the selfie camera on the left side is that we can enjoy full screen. While playing games, it comes under our thumb and becomes completely unseen, by which we can enjoy gaming on full screen. Plus, it also don't irritate us while watching the YouTube in the full screen. And if we talk about its SIM tray, Oppo A52 provides us dual SIM functionality, along with 2 nano SIMs and macro SD card at the same time. So you don't have to pick between an extra storage and an extra SIM. And this is really a good thing in this budget. And now let's jump to the performance section. Oppo A52 comes with the chipset of Snapdragon 665. Which is built on 11nm process and packs an octa-core CPU, and the GPU is Adreno 610. Oppo A52 provides good performance, but it's not set up to the standards by the competitors in this price range. On the other hand, Redmi Note 9 comes with the Helio G85, which is better than Snapdragon 665, and the price of the Redmi Note 9 is also less than the Oppo A52. Games worked well on this device. I tested the PUBG on the smooth graphics at the medium frame rate without any kind of lagging. PUBG only allows us to jump to the balanced graphics on this device. We cannot jump to the HD, HDR or the Ultra HD on this device. And I also tested the Call of Duty Mobile on the high setting at the high frame rate, and I observed no lagging. I also tested the Asphalt 9 on the default setting, but I saw a little bit lagging on the Asphalt 9. I saw its overheating notification many times. And yes, this device becomes hot while playing games and force you to reduce the brightness and also turn off many other features like hotspot. Its multitasking is fine, but I saw lagging while jumping from one app to another. I have the 4GB variant with 128GB of storage. This phone comes with the Android 10 and the ColorOS 7.1. One thing I loved of this phone is the dark mode, which comes with the Android 10. And when we turn on the dark mode, it also invokes the dark mode of all the supported apps like Play Store, YouTube, WhatsApp and other. And one thing more, it comes with Google's phone, message and contacts apps, which are not user friendly. I was amazed to saw when I tried to import my contacts, I spent a lot of time in searching for contacts app. And believe me, they put this important app in the folder. Then after finally searching it, I tried to import my contacts which were in the VCF file. When I clicked on the import button, it took me to the Google Drive instead of the phone storage. So this means we will first need to upload the VCF files on the Google Drive and then we can import. This is not a good idea. And I also saw an issue on the Google's message app. When we try to send contact, you will see attachment icon on the bottom left. When you will press it, it will provide you the different options from which you can select the contact option. When you click on it and select the contact, it will turn the SMS to the MMS instead of putting the name and the number, so we can send it through the SMS. It attaches it and convert the SMS to the MMS, which is again I don't want. Google should make its apps user friendly, or Oppo should use its own apps. And now let's jump to the favorite part, which is camera. For that, let's put some numbers on the table. There are 4 cameras on the back. Main camera, which is 12 megapixel, ultra wide, which is 8 megapixel, depth sensor, which is 2 megapixel, and the macro, 2 megapixel, with LED flash. Oppo A52 also provides 4K at 30 fps along with 1080p at 30 fps. The quality of the camera is not too much good. We can rate it average in this budget. Colors are not great, as you can see in these images. In camera application, we have options of night mode, portrait, slow motion, pro, and in portrait mode we also get bokeh mode. Here you can see its 4K video. You can get the answer of its quality in this video, but you can show off that you have 4K smartphone in your pocket. Here is slow motion. I tested its camera with the Samsung Galaxy A30s. In that video, the Galaxy A30s performed well, and I also compared it with the Nova 7i. Both videos are available on my channel. You will get the link of the videos in the description below or in the iCard. The quality of the images of this phone is low. We lack details and sharpness in the image. Video quality is also average, colors are not sharp, and the footage is not clear. But after all, it's a low budget phone. But this phone took decent selfies. Selfie camera of the Oppo A52 is better than the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So if you are a selfie lover, then you can think about this phone. The bokeh mode, or if you call it live focus mode, worked very well on this phone and provided us the decent result, as you can see. The night mode of this phone is average, not so great. I even saw a little bit difference between the photo and the night mode in low light on this phone. In low light, its performance is just fine, not so good, as you can see here in the images. And if we take a look on its battery, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging. I tested its battery charging also. It took 2 hours and round about 40 minutes to complete its charging, which I think is not really a good fast charging. What do you say about its charging time? And its battery life is good for 1 day use if you are a gamer. Otherwise, if you are a normal user, then you will get a day and a half battery life from it. Okay, now let's see some final points on this device. Chipset isn't powerful as what the competition has to offer. Camera performance is lacking in low light. No video stabilization. No 60 fps on 1080p. However, there is 18 watt fast charger but not providing the satisfied quick charging, and comes with Google Phone, Message and Contacts app which are not user friendly. So if you are a gamer and love to take selfies, then you can think about this phone in this budget. But if you want to use the rear camera of this phone for the photography or for the vlogging, and if you enjoy the fast charging, then it's not a good choice for you. For now, that's all. Hope you got the idea from my review that should you buy this phone or not. If you really enjoyed this video, then make sure to like it, comment below, and also subscribe my channel. Watch my other videos. Till the next one, take care, bye bye.